The iPhone 12 mini is a stable smartphone with few problems. However, there are still users who can encounter issues every now and then. Among the common problems that were reported is about the device's performance. Some complain that their devices started running very slow after the iOS 14.4 update. If you're one of them, then you should troubleshoot your device. In this video, we will show you how to fix an iPhone 12 mini that became extremely slow. First solution: close applications running in the background. Applications that are left running in the background can affect the overall performance of your device as they continue to use your iPhone's RAM and CPU. So the first thing you have to do is to close them all and see if the problem is fixed. Here's how you do that. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and stop at the middle. This will show you all the apps that are still running. Swipe up on each preview to close them one after another. After closing all the apps, try to see if your iPhone 12 mini is still running slow. Second solution: force restart your iPhone. If the first solution fails, then what you have to do next is to refresh your device's memory. It's possible that this performance issue is caused by a minor glitch in the system. Doing the forced restart will refresh the memory as well as reload all apps and services. Here's how it's done on your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up and then the volume down button. Immediately after that, press and hold the power key for 10 seconds. This will trigger your iPhone to shut down and power back up. Once you see the Apple logo, release the power key and allow the device to continue the boot process. After the restart, use your iPhone like you normally do to know if the problem is fixed. Third solution: reset the settings of your device. Another possibility is that this problem is caused by some inappropriate settings, or some of the caches may have been corrupted. That's why the next thing you have to do is to reset all the settings to bring them back to their default values without deleting your personal files and data. Here's how you do that. From the home screen, tap Settings. Find and tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Touch Reset all settings. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Reset all settings at the bottom of the screen, and then tap Reset all settings again to confirm. Once your iPhone has finished rebooting, try to find out if it's now running smoothly. If it's still slow, then move on to the next solution. Fourth solution: factory reset your iPhone. If all else fails, then you have no other choice but to rest your iPhone 12 mini. A factory reset will fix any performance issue including this one. However, take a little time backing up your important files and data since they will be deleted during the process. After the backup, follow these steps to factory reset your iPhone. From the home screen, tap Settings. Find and tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Tap Erase all contents and settings. Tap Erase now. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Erase iPhone at the bottom of the screen. Tap Erase iPhone again to proceed. Now enter your Apple ID password, and then tap Erase to proceed with the reset. Wait until your iPhone has finished the reset, and then set it up as a new device. It should be running smoothly now that you've done the reset. We hope that this troubleshooting has been able to help you. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enable the notification. Thanks for watching.